Did you know that flamingos get their stunning pink color from their diet? That's right. They feast on shrimp and algae, rich in carotenoids, which are pigments that turn their feathers pink. But here's a shocking fact. Baby flamingos are actually born gray. It takes time and the right diet for them to develop that iconic hue. And get this, flamingos can actually sleep while standing on one leg. They do this to conserve body heat and energy. Also, flamingos are social creatures, often living in colonies of thousands. So, next time you see a flamingo, remember, their beauty is more than just skin deep. Comment below if you like flamingos' color.